Savior, because He healed my heart, He changed my name, forever free. I'm not the same. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, I thank God. I cannot deny what I see. Got no choice but to believe.